Now to export the game and publish it on itch.io so that other people can download it and play it. So go to Project, Export, Add. When you select it, you'll get an error saying no export template. Same for Linux and for Windows desktop. Just click here, Manage Export Templates, and download and install. While it's downloading, we can select an icon for the project. So go to Application, Config, and then for the icon, you can click here to select one. And I'll use the fish. And for Windows native icon, we can use the .ico file. Once the export templates are ready, you can go back to Project, Export, click on Mac. This one says cannot export if this is disabled. So, okay, just follow the instructions, go to the project settings and look for this setting. So project settings, etc2, go here and enable that. And it says we have to save and restart. Okay, so project, export, Mac, and so these errors are okay. It just means that if you don't have an official developer account with Apple, which I don't, when you export the game and let other people download it, they'll get a security warning on their Mac. Mac OS will try to block them from opening the app, so they have to go to their security settings and bypass that security block. So you just have to include those installation instructions on your download page. For Linux, seems to be okay, and for Windows, okay as well. For Mac OS, you can just put your developer name here or whatever you want to put. And you don't have to really put anything else here unless you do have an Apple developer ID, in which case you could put it here. Now you can go ahead and export. So you can select a folder where you want to put it in. Make sure not to put it in this folder because this is your project folder and you don't want to mix the export in with your working game files. I've prepared a separate export folder for my exports and you can do the same. So my Mac export will go here and uncheck debug, save, and then do the same for Linux. Export project, select the folder you want to put it in, make sure debug is unchecked, and for Windows as well, export project, Windows folder, and export. And this should be fine. So now you have your exported game. I can actually test mine already on the Mac. I just double click this and double click that, and I have my game. I like to prepare a README text file to put along with the game files so that when people download it, they can get installation instructions or any other notes that you want to put about the game. Itsy Bitsy Fishy by Mellowminx. Mellowminx.com. Installation on Mac. Mac OS will block this app when you try to open it. Please go to your system security settings and unblock the app. And a copy of this README goes into all of the folders. And then I will make zip files for all of them. So on Mac OS, this comes with the OS, but if you're on Windows, you can probably use a program like WinZip. Now your game files are all ready to be shared. Go to itch.io. Itch.io is a free online platform for indie games. So if you don't have an account yet, you can register for a free account. And once you've created your account, you can log in, go to your dashboard, and click Create New Project. I've already created mine, so I have the title and a description, and for the classification, it would be games. It's a downloadable project, and it's released, but might have updates. And then here, I've already uploaded the zip files, and I've made sure to select that it's an executable and for which platform. And I've written a description for the game and included some animated GIF screenshots, as well as links to my socials. I've selected the genre and I've put some tags. I didn't use generative AI to make it. And I included installation instructions. I'm allowing comments. And for visibility, so when you're ready, you can click public. At the time of recording, I haven't finished this web page yet, so if you're not done yet, you can do draft or restricted. For restricted, you can put in a password so you can let some people view the page. And you click on save and then click on view page, and then you'll have the page for your game. And if someone visits your page and they click download now, they get an option to give you a donation if you made it a free download, or they can skip that and just go to the downloads. And they'll see the installation notes as well. And that's it. You've finished the game, you've published it online, and hopefully other people play it and give you some nice feedback. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you had fun, and I hope that you continue to have a lot of fun in your game dev journey. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know if you found this helpful or what I can do better. If you want to support me, you can check out my games, follow my socials, or subscribe to my mailing list. All my links are at mellowminx.com. See you next time!